What if your running data could actually tell you how to improve instead of just showing numbers? Most people track miles, but the surprising truth is that understanding your performance trends is what leads to real progress. That's where Runalyze comes in. Runalyze is a free online running analytics platform that connects to apps and GPS watches. It collects your workouts and breaks them down into meaningful insights like training load, fatigue, and recovery. After syncing your data, you'll see dashboards that show pace trends, heart rate zones, and performance predictions. One standout feature is the effective VO2 max estimate, which updates after every run. This gives you a clear picture of your fitness over time. You can also track shoes, injuries, and personal records. Most people get this wrong, but here's why this matters. Small patterns can reveal when you're overtraining or ready to push harder. The interface is detailed, so it may feel overwhelming at first, but once you understand the charts, you won't believe how much smarter your training becomes. In conclusion, Runalyze is perfect for runners who want deep insights without expensive coaching tools. Subscribe for more fitness tech reviews.